Good morning. I was in my greenhouse this morning working on getting some more plant starts in the ground. And this is the first time I've grown root vegetables in grow pots, but I harvested the most perfect radish, which made me excited to start more pots. And with soil being so expensive, I mean, one of these grow pots could easily take a 2 cubic foot bag of soil, which is like $12. So this is what I came up with last spring, and it's super cheap. I fill a whole grow pot up with leaves, and then I top it with goat barn clean out, or you could use rabbits, anything that's a cold manure. And then I top it with a couple inches of grow soil or growing medium, and it's so much cheaper. You spend maybe a couple bucks compared to a whole bag of soil at $12. And then over time they will shrink down, and then you can just top them off a little bit at a time. These I started last spring, and all I had to do today was top them off, and they're replanted with kohlrabi and turnips. You can see I'm growing lettuces, carrots, beets, and kale. So a super cheap way to fill up your grow pots. If you don't have access to leaves, you could use straw or hay, any kind of broken down materials. And if you didn't have goat barn clean out or rabbits, you could use soil that you've dug up from different parts of your property. I've done that before. And then you can also make your own compost if your stores aren't carrying it right now.